Yeah.
And I'm saying on the face of the planet because we'll just go to the moon next time. Then we have an entire month of darkness. Not a month, but a whole few days of darkness.
Yeah.
And then brightness for a whole month.
Well, was it you that said that the best
Twilight.
place to do it would be inside of a crater?
Oh, well...
Because then you're less likely to get hit by a meteor.
Well, and radiation, yeah. But, the issue with that is, there are craters in the northern parts of the moon that don't get exposed to any sunlight. But
They put out a pole, yeah.
But you can probably imagine, though, that, what's the word I'm looking for here? The sun bouncing off the moon will cause light pollution.
Not if you're on the opposite side. There's no atmosphere. It bounces away.
Straight away? They still couldn't see stars when they were on the... I thought they couldn't see stars when they were on the moon.
That's because they did it in the daytime.
Right. You're going to be at the pole. The only night part's going to be in the crater. But everyone else is going to be daylight. All the time.
Well, no, but you got to do it
I'm telling you, just do it on the dark side of the moon. Or you can do it wherever the heck you want. Done. Or...
Well, no, could they not see stars? I thought it was the camera couldn't see stars.
I doubt they could see... the camera couldn't see stars?
The camera
No, they couldn't see stars. I don't think they could see stars regardless.
Really?
Could the Apollo astronauts see stars?
I thought it was just the...
I'm on YouTube. No, we're good.
I thought it was just the camera couldn't. Apollo astronauts still not see stars.
At the moment...
That was
Where?
Apollo 8. I think Apollo 8 just went around the moon. I don't remember. What?
I don't remember.
What?
No. He doesn't remember. Well, he was up in the ship the entire time. Michael Collins. Oh, here we go. Universetoday.com. Go away. What the heck? All right, we're not going to stick on this. I was done.
They had their chance.
Discovery.com.
Space Star Exchange. Stock Exchange.
A vocal minority believes the moon landing.
Where the hell is...
I don't know what you just hit, but it's not doing that. You're
Wait. Don't show any stars. Okay. This is all about cameras.
right. They're going to talk about if the people could see it, but you.
They didn't say it.
What did you do? Oh, I don't know.
Stack Exchange.
What, this?
Yeah. What did sky actually look like from the moon?
These are all just
The
Quoras.
astronauts actually on the moon. All the stars and galaxies should have been perfectly visible. In fact, they should have been most clearly visible stars seen. It should have been visible. Or we go down here. The astronauts on the moon had the same problem as the photos, right?
That's what I was thinking. You couldn't see them because your eyes would adapt.
Neil Opton said, we were never able to see stars from the lunar surface on the daylight, looking through the optics. Standing in the shadow, he could see some stars when he was outside. All the landings were done on the daylight side of the moon.
Yeah, because, well, if you did it in the nighttime of the moon, we couldn't communicate with them now. But with the new one, since we're doing a halo orbit, they will always have communications, and so they will be able to do experiments on the dark side of the moon.
Scroll down. This is Apollo 8. On the way to the moon, They could see every imaginable star to the point where constellations became difficult to make out.
But see, I thought, all right, like I said, you gotta be on the dark side of the moon. Like I said, they're gonna get drowned out. Your eyes are gonna, but maybe you could do it. But maybe you could do it from inside a crater. Maybe. Yeah. But the crater has to be dark enough.
Yeah, like they said, they could see some stars in the shadow.
Yeah, so you have to be in a really dark crater. The only way to do that is to be at the pole, and you don't want to be at the pole. So.
Well, yeah, that would make sense though. The lunar surface is reflecting too much light into your retina.
So we need to paint the lunar surface black.
Yeah, Fanta black or whatever the.
Yep, make it a black hole.
Oh my god!
Around the crater.
Dude, oh my gosh! That means we would never have any problem during the night sky. Could you imagine the moon? Could you imagine? You're like, new full moon out tonight. There's just this black hole in the middle of this. You see all these stars.
We're got to be at the pole. Remember?
So you see all these stars, and then just this black circle.
Interesting.
Wonder what that is.
It's just a white. No, it'll be like survival craft with the moon.
Oh yes.
The new moon at night.
Wait, so you paint just one side, so then you can see this white ring.
See, that still doesn't fix the issue because the sun's still up.
What?
The sun is still up, though. That doesn't fix the issue because your spacesuit's going to be white. And you're white. And so it's still not going to fix the issue because the sun is out. You have to do it at the pole around a crater.
So would it look like, so at nighttime, would it look like a little tiny white dot?
What do you mean?
So after you paint the surface of the moon, and then you land on that dark spot, because all the light's being absorbed into the black, but you look like a little white dot.
I mean, you'll be invisible. You'll be so far away.
But if I have a good telescope, I can see, hey, look.
Remember how we said the size of a telescope that was necessary to see footprints on the moon?
You can see a little white dot.
The best we can see now is the lunar lander, right?
Well, a footstep is hard to make out because it's the same color and everything,
right?
Know?
But we can't. But the best telescopes we have now, we can make out the lander. That's it, right?
I thought we couldn't make out anything.
No, I thought we talked about this. We have telescopes that can make out the lander on the moon.
Oh,
I thought. I don't remember what we had typed in before, but remember how you said we didn't have anything? I'm like, yes, we do. We have telescopes that are big enough to see, or we will, anyways. Space.com.
You have no chance, sadly. Open to new tab. Oh.
How to view the Apollo 180 sites. You're just going to view a lunar landscape. Oh my god, we're at hour 24. Alright, well, that's it. Anyways, go to the moon, I guess. That's where our star party is going to be the most exclusive one yet. It'll be the best one, and it'll be on the dark side of the moon. You get a few days of darkness, but then you have a few weeks of twilight and brightness. So, not perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Oh no, I'm sadly mistaken. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New podcasts every other Friday, 11 a.m. Central Time, and good night.